guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to professional development again, or I am. This is our county-wide mandated professional development for English teachers, and I'm going to be doing the DBQ session, which is an extended 3-hour session. So I have to drive out to a different high school, which is pretty far away. I'm not really sure where I'm going. So I'm probably not going to be filming while I am actually driving, because I don't want to be focused on talking and having the camera mounted and my phone mounted and just getting lost and going high speed. It's never safe. So I just wanted to do a quick update here before I leave my neighborhood. That way we've kind of covered where I'm going for the day, but no one's lives are at risk, including my own and anyone on the road with me. So I am going to the DBQ PD. I am super excited to see all the other English teachers there. So this is for all English teachers in the county. And yeah, hopefully I don't get lost. So I will check back in with you guys later. Hey guys, so I just made it to my PD location, and I definitely would have gotten lost if I had been vlogging the entire time and not following my GPS. So this took me all the back roads to get here, and I feel like every time I have to go to PD, they pick the school that's the hardest for me to get to. I definitely was scared there for a second. As you can see behind me, there's all my stuff. I have like 2 chairs back here, and my chalkboard, DIY, and all these things that are rattling in my car as I'm going on these windy roads. So, all right, so I will see you guys after. I'm gonna go in and make sure I'm at the right place and I'm settled in where I'm supposed to be. Hey guys, welcome back. I just finished my professional development for my document-based questioning, and it was so hot in the school. If you can see, I'm a little bit shiny. My hair is so hot, and it was just, I don't think the school, I don't know if their air conditioner was turned on, or if perhaps their central air isn't working efficiently, but it was completely hot when we walked in. So it was already quite toasty in there, and then we packed a lot of people in the room. However, the discussion was great, and all of the things I really felt that I could use in the classroom, or some derivative of using, definitely something like a professional development that actually applies to what I'm teaching this year, which isn't always the case. So like I said, I don't have a session, so I just did 1 extended session. I don't have a 3rd session because of the scheduling. There was a scheduling issue. So there were too many people signed up for the professional development and not enough slots. So I actually did not get into a 3rd session, which is kind of good. It worked out for me because I get to go back to my classroom and bring in all this stuff in the back of my car. So free teacher work day for me in my classroom, getting set up. As you know, I just about finished up 80% of the wall last time I was vlogging. So now I'm gonna bring in some furniture, and I do have an extra roll of the shiplap arriving at my house right now. So I'll be able to put the rest of that up hopefully tomorrow. Anyway, so super exciting, a professional development that applied to me. So that's always a win. I will see you guys soon, probably back at school with air conditioning. Hey guys, welcome back. So I am back in my classroom. It is 3:45 on Monday, August 27th. So it is 3:45, and I had the entire day together to put all the pieces of my room in its proper place. I had a little bit of some help from a student, which was really good. I really got to just sit and put up like all my posters, put up I think I put my lantern accents and my pom-poms. I put my light bulb in my lamp, and I put my phone charger station up, and all of my spray painted DIY stuff is basically here. The only thing I did not bring in yet is my Rolly office chair. It's still in my car, but it's so hot out today I didn't feel like bringing it in, so I'll bring that in tomorrow. And I also have my other DIY chair that I shared with you guys earlier. I did finish the cushion for that, but I have not gotten the opportunity to put it in my car since I still had the other chair in there. But yeah, I'm really excited with what I got to do today in my classroom. I did put, like, there was a missing piece of shiplap right here. Just the way it met, it didn't come together, so I did put the extra piece there. So as you can see, I have a full shiplap wall behind me, even though over there it's not completely done. But I do have the extra roll arriving at my house today, so I should have all my shiplap problems should be done. So I'm gonna let you guys look at the room so far, see how it looks. Like I said, I'm not done, and all my desks have a lot of stuff on them, so the room still looks a little bit like a mess. I am gonna probably tweak the desk arrangement just a little bit, but I'm super impressed with how much I got done today, especially since I had PD this morning for 3 hours. So let me show you what it looks like. So as you can see, I finished the shiplap behind my desk, and I added a garland. It's a circular, or they're circles, they're foil circle garland. And then I also added my signs, my wood block signs on there with push pins. And then if I kind of pan out a little bit, I have my banner going across the top. And I did use my chalkboard markers and put some cursive letters up there to put my new last name. As you can see here, this was a desk drawer organizer that I spray painted pink. As you can see, I didn't do like the best job. Some of the black came through, but kind of to bring out my pink accents in my room. And then this is my magazine basket that I spray painted yellow to put in my books that I'm reading. I did put up the polka dot black and white gift wrap paper behind my desk, just to give myself something pretty to look at, and just to give myself something to look at as a background for some of my pictures. And then this is a canvas a student got me because I like Fallout 4, and I'll probably put some of the bell schedules and things back here. So this is kind of my current organization. I still have kind of stuff everywhere, like all of this stuff I haven't gone through, I just put them on the desk. Okay, so this is the mess on all my desks. I did put up, with the help of my student, I put up this tapestry that's slightly over the light. That way, if I need to play a movie, there is something to block a little bit of the glare off my smartboard. You can see I do have a couple of these lanterns up throughout the room, and also the little pom-poms. I haven't finished putting them all up. So these are what the pom-poms come in, and you have to like assemble them. There are all these little intricate pieces of tissue paper that you have to kind of like crumple and tie together. So I haven't finished that. I did put up my American flag and some other posters to kind of cover up the little gap in the shiplap. So I'll probably have to do something down here. But otherwise, it looks pretty good. As you can see, I still have to fill in the gaps of the shiplap. And there's a wrinkle there I have to smooth over. Here is, I put up that apple border around this whiteboard. And this is my student resource station. All of my talking objects. So this is Bruce, my community circle shark. When we do community circles, we pass him around. I also have a dice and a pokeball and some stress balls there. And then here is my cell phone charging station. So like I said, it's a wine rack, and I spray painted it yellow. And I actually put some nails in the wall and a command strip to keep this up. And then I put this extension cord because there was a lone plug up here by my smartboard projector, and there was an empty plug that I couldn't use and no one else would use because it was so high. So I strung this extension outlet here so that my kids can charge their stuff, and I'll have a station so that kids can sharpen their pencils without it being on my desk or the co-teacher's desk. So I haven't organized the bookshelf yet, but I did put up I bought some picture frames holders or some canvas holders from Hobby Lobby to put books up. And here are my classroom rules and consequences and rewards and my tapestry. So I have some anchor charts there in the back. I did get the chance to cover up my bulletin board with some of the flowers that I got from Walmart. That way those unfinished edges on this side kind of were covered. This is one of my DIY projects over here. So I think I told you guys before that I had that Blackboard sticker here. So I put it over a piece of cardboard, the Blackboard sticker, and then my mom gave me a vintage frame that I spray painted yellow. That's the same color. And I framed the piece of cardboard with the Blackboard sticker on it, and now I have my own lightweight blackboard. And as you can see, there's some pom-poms in the corners. These are some kindness posters, and I think these were free. I'm trying to remember who these were from. If you put a comment below if you're interested in these, I can tell you which TPT person gave those away for free. Yeah, so that's about it. This is where my classroom stands right now. It's chaotic beautifulness. Here is my salon chair that I brought in today. So this is really cool. It's like, it twirls and it has a place to put your feet, and it raises and lowers. It's a really cool chair. I thought it'd be a good student conference chair, or I could sit in it. I can sit in it when I'm teaching. If I have to do like a good old fashioned lecture of some sort. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Donut will be going in this cabinet. My class pet class guinea pig Donut will be going in this cabinet once I take the tape off and I clean out his aquarium and put everything that I need in there. So yeah. So guys, what do you think of my space so far? I would love to hear what you think in the comments below. Also, how is your classroom setup coming along? What are some new things that you implemented this year that maybe that's new to you, like my phone charging station? I really didn't have a place for students to charge their phones before. It was just kind of willy-nilly at all the outlets they could find. This year I wanted one location that they had access to, 2 outlets that was kind of away from their desks and mine. We're gonna see how that goes. But I'm curious to see what kind of things you put into your room this year that's completely different than what you're used to in teaching. All right guys, so remember, like and subscribe, learn often, teach well. I will see you in my next video.